everyone, this is Amy. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to do just a very simplistic tree design for you. I am going to be using 4 Amagic round brushes. I have a number 10, an 8, a 6, and a 4. And then I'm using my fine liner by Westonia. I'm also using all FolkArt paints, using baby pink, licorice, Skullbush yellow, silver sterling, and engine red. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to stick my fine liner into the licorice, and that of course is black. And I'm just pulling it in and kind of rolling it. I'm going to start towards the bottom, and I apologize. I know this is going to be a little hard to see because the bottle is dark, but I'm just going to just take the liner brush and just do some real simple lines, and just keep adding as you go here. If that makes sense there. I'm up here a little bit. It doesn't matter, just do lines and cross them over, because in a tree that's pretty much how they are. You have long and short and thin and fat. And just keep adding and building. And I might go over some of the lines just to make sure that they are thick enough, because, you know, as I say every day when I'm doing these videos, that the thicker your design, the more durable the paint is going to be. And just keep adding it. And this is going to be more of a loose, abstract kind of painting, even though I'm doing a tree design. The blossoms that will be on it are going to be very loose. Alright, now you could at this point hit this with a heat gun, hair dryer, whatnot, just to make sure that it's dry. But I'm going to go ahead and pounce on, so some of the black may come into my design, but that's okay. Alright, I'm going to take the number 4 round brush, and it doesn't matter what size brushes you use, in all honesty. I'm going to take this, and I'm just going to do very simple, just kind of tapping onto the glass in random fashion. So I say it's going to be more kind of an abstract, not true to a tree per se. And you can do just a little bit of this color or a lot. It's up to you. Next, what I'm going to do, take the number 6, put it into the pink. Just get it good and covered. And I'm just going to come in here in some fashion and dab into the red. And I can actually come separately or go within or around. Just kind of, I don't know, play with it. And you can go back over it if you feel like you need to add, or if you put a lot of pink in and you don't see enough red, you can go back over it with the red. I'm going to keep going. Next, what I'm doing is the number 8. Going to put it into the yellow. Just get it good and painted. Now I can come in here and not actually be a part of the red and pink, or I can find myself coming into the red and pink. It's really just kind of up to me. And these little bits of color don't actually even have to be on a specific stem or branch. They can be kind of in here without even being on a branch, because it is meant to be more of a abstract kind of look. Alright, so I'm going to come in here with some yellow, or not yellow, but the silver. And just tap in here wherever I see fit. And I want it to be, again, very loose. That's why I say with my paintings, anybody can do what I'm doing. And they are meant to be very simple. That is the intention. And I can come up here. Not every branch needs to be covered. It can be if you want. And I come back in here, maybe tap some more red in, make it more prominent. And of course when you do this, yep, you're probably going to be mixing up some of the colors. It's okay. Tap a little bit of that into there. And just have fun with it. You know, my thing is put on some relaxing music. I really like meditation music. You know, to each his own. Yeah, but just sit back and relax. Just get the paintbrush out and paint. Just see where you end up when you're doing this. Like I said, just have some fun. Relax and have some fun with it. Alright, might come back in here. Kind of add more of a distinct brush stroke to this. Again, you can just keep playing with it too, till you get it the way you want it. You put some little bit of yellow, not a lot. And if you want more distinct brush strokes, then make more distinct brush strokes. That's up to you. Alright, very simple. Alright, I hope you like this video. If you do, make sure you give me a big thumbs up. New to my channel, please subscribe and hit that notification bell. And prior to leaving, if you would take a moment to share this on your social network with your family and friends, I would greatly appreciate that. Until the next time, thanks so much for stopping by. And you stay safe and healthy and have a good one.